Hello guys, welcome all and thank you so much for stopping by. I don't take you for granted, and if it's your first time you have come along this channel, please feel highly welcome and don't leave without subscribing and joining the family, and you will be blessed with others who have already joined the family. And for my subscribers, oh my goodness, I don't take you for granted. May God bless you for always coming back to watch my videos. It's not it's not easy to see that I have uploaded video and then you come to watch the content that I put there for you guys. I don't take you for granted, and that's why I take you as a special people to me. So today's video, I'm going to unbox this microwave oven, and it's a Samsung one. I had the same Samsung microwave, but it just went off just like that. I was using it and then I had some strange sound and then went off. So I had to go for an emergency one, and so I found the same make Samsung, and it looked the same, but there are few differences. The link was loud, but this one has V-shaped. I'll show you in the video as we go on. As you can see also there, they show it there. So, and also this one, the new one is 800 watts, and the other one was 1000 watts, and it used to have a lot of things on it, but this one don't have some features and some things, okay, you cannot do with it that maybe I used to do with the other one. So guys, sometimes it's good to go with what you have, what your pocket is allowing you to do, because these things anytime any day they can just go off and you have to go for emergency one. So guys, stay along as you watch and be blessed. So guys, here is another difference between the other Samsung and this new one. You see this part, it used to be more shiny, more shinier and a little bit classic. Yes, you can see the difference. And also here inside the cooking, this information there on top of the microwave. The other one had a lot guys. I think even it went off even without using some. Yes guys, and here are the leaflet of all information. It has a lot. It has also many languages from different countries, so it's good. And also here is where I was telling you about the link here where you put the plate. You can see this one is kind of V shape, which is good. And also it will serve us for now. It will serve us for now. Yes, and hope you like it. You can go for it if you have you see that is good. And I know it will be perfect because Samsung doesn't disappoint a lot, guys. I know Samsung are the best. Yes, guys. So that's how it will look like inside. So guys, now this is the old one. I put it aside. I'm going to throw it away, and I want to show you how it used to look like. Yes guys, and I know that you can notice some differences. This one also is big, so if you have money you can go for this one as well. And also I found out they have a Samsung makes that are also bigger than this one, so yes, you can go for it. And I tell you guys, this Samsung microwave have served me 6 years. 6 years, so it didn't disappoint me at all. It was so amazing. Did amazing. It's only that it went off, and maybe it was, yeah, it was supposed maybe to serve me that time. It served me. So until next time, I love you so much for watching until this end. Bye bye.